Welcome to the second video in this series on the 4 things you need to know how to do on your Sony ICD-ux560 before you record your first interview or focus group discussion. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up the ICD-ux560 to record using the uncompressed WAV format or the LPCM format. So we are going to start at the settings menu, and to enter the settings menu you will hit the play button. So you have hit the play button and we are the recording settings, and hit the play button again. So the menu for setting the recording format, LPCM or MP3, is the record mode, and so this is the setting that you want to use. Now, using the up and down button, again you can move into this, you can select the menu and then you hit the play button to enter the menu or confirm your selection. And here we are in the record mode menu, and you have 4 choices. You have LPCM 44.1 kilohertz 16-bit, you have MP3 192 kilobits per second, and 2 other choices of the MP3 that you can use. So I always recommend use the LPCM. So just use the up and down key to move to LPCM, and then use the play key to select the LPCM, and there we have it. You have selected LPCM WAV as the recording format that you're going to use for your interviews or focus group discussions. Now let's go back. Let me zoom out. Let's go back to the main menu, and you do that by hitting the back button right here, bottom left hand corner. Press the back or home button, and that press it once to go back to the settings, and again, and you're in the settings main menu. Again, you can scroll through this menu by using the forward and the back. So I want to go to the record menu right here, and I press the play key to enter the record menu, and here is how you record. So if I want to record an audio, just hit the red button right here to record, and it start recording. And if I hit it again, it will pause the recording. Hit it again, it will continue recording. Once I'm done, I hit the stop button, and that's how you record. While you're in this menu, you can also make the selection of what format you want to record your audio files in. And right now, as you can see, we have already made the selection. We are recording in LPCM 44.1 16-bit WAV format, but you can change that while you're on this menu, and the easiest way to do that is to go to option, bottom right hand corner of the recorder. There is an option button. Hit the option button and this menu pops up. This menu allows you to make a number of changes to how you record your audio, and the record mode is just right here. So you just scroll down, record mode right there, hit the enter, the play button in the middle, and you can make the selection if you want to use MP3, and right now we have changed it to MP3 192 kilobits per second, but I want to go back to the LPCM format that I like to use. I suggest that you also use this format, and we are going to select that. So in this video, I've showed you how to set your ICD-ux560 to record using the LPCM WAV format. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set the microphone sensitivity of the ICD-ux560. See you then.